What's up everyone? Today I wanna share things I learned late in life. Those are lessons I wish someone told me when I was younger. I made a lot of mistakes, but those mistakes taught me a valuable lesson. Hopefully they can help you avoid some of the same mistake. So, first thing first, don't trust everyone. One thing I learned is that not everyone who smiles with you is your real friend. Some people only stay around when things are going well. For example, I used to believe that everyone who spent time with me cared about me. When I needed support, some of these people just disappeared. That's when I realized that real friends stay with you during hard times, not only during the good times. So you need to choose your friends carefully. Take responsibility for your life. The earlier you take responsibility for your life, the better your future will be. I used to blame other people or my situation when things don't go away I wanted. But nothing changed until I accept that my life was my responsibility. Once I did that, I started making better choices. No one's coming to save you. You have to build the life you want to, not anyone else. And number 3, leave your comfortable zone. Nothing amazing happened inside your comfortable zone. I remember being scared to try new things because I was afraid of failing or what people would think. But every time I stepped outside of my comfortable zone, I became more confident. Learn to plan and say no. Your time is valuable. Time when I say yes to everyone. I wanted to make everyone happy, but in the end, I had no time left for my own goals. To succeed is to focus on your own goals and your own life. No one can help you achieve your goals. Stop procrastinating. One of the biggest mistakes I made was waiting for the perfect time. I keep saying I start tomorrow, I start next week, I start next year, next month, but it never happens. The truth is, tomorrow keeps moving. If you always wait, you never start. Even if you only take one small step. Don't give up when life gets hard. Life will test you. There were moments when I wanted to quit because things felt too difficult. But now looking back, those moments made me stronger. Sometimes lives get harder because you're getting closer to something better. Don't quit just because it's difficult. That's not the solution. Think before you react. You can't control everything that happens to you, but you can control your response. I used to react when something made me angry. Later I realized that a few minutes to think first usually leads you to a much better decision. Believe me, your reaction can change the outcome. Don't expect other people to save you. This lesson changed my mindset. I used to think that some eventually will help me reach my goal, but I realized that waiting for other people only slows you down. When I stopped waiting and start taking action myself, everything changed. So it's easy, take control of your own life. And yes guys, the last one is success takes time. Many people want success, but they don't want the long journey. I had days where I felt tired, frustrated, and wanted to give up. Learn that success isn't about never feeling tired. It's about to continue even when you don't feel like it. Every small step counts. You will look back and realize that all those difficult days were worth it. But remember this, don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Keep learning, keep growing, keep moving forward. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Yes guys, see you in the next video.